Inside here is my artist kit for my plein air painting and art on the go. Let's see what's inside. So if you're curious where I got the bag at, my wife picked it up for me in London from a marketplace, like a street market. It's handcrafted, real leather, smells real nice. We just got back from a camping trip, so I'm pulling out my chipboards I use for measurement and support. And here's a painting of my friends hanging around the camping table. I did this near dark, so it got kind of hard to see what's going on, and plus no one holds still, so it was a lot of fun. This is my watercolor palette that I bring, and some extra paper. This is my pencil. It's a mechanical pencil, like a drafting style with stick lead. A micron pen. I prefer the 05. And my water vessel is just a little squirt bottle. This is my type of ink I like to use. And these are the brushes. Of course, my favorite brush. And this little brush pack you can find on Amazon. It's a really nice collapsible painting travel brush kit. Has multiple different sized brushes, and I really like them. This right here is my ink tin and a knife. I won't bring that in an airplane, but it's in there. And then this is my water cup. I love this little thing. It's collapsible. It looks really neat. And then I always put a little coin from the last foreign country I went to. So yeah, it's pretty cool. That's the bag. I'm going to show you how I put the kit together. So here's my painting block, and here is that chipboard that I showed in the very beginning. 5x7. If I ever need to do a 5x7, I got the perfect measurement there. But it's also good for put it on the side like this, so your hand can kind of go like this and support it. You can take one of these clips. Lightly put that clip on there, and now you have a tray for your painting palette, and you can see you kind of put your finger back there for additional support. Okay, this guy here comes out, and take this little clip here, the second one. Flip it on there, just like that. And so now I have my paintbrushing, all together, kind of secure enough that nothing's going to fall out really. And you can kind of do your quick painting, hold it up there, get your color. And you can always use this bigger clipboard here for additional support. So you see you can kind of have that little bit of support there. So there you go, that's how it goes together. So I take it apart, got a clip here, palette, painting, my measurement tool and support boards right there. And that's how the whole kit kind of goes together for some painting.